Hey guys, I'm Deepika and you're watching my channel Art and Blood, and finally after so many delays I'm making this portrait tutorial video. And as I promised in one of my previous video that I will make a portrait of Joker, so there you go. So guys, there are mainly three ways to draw portraits. The first one is the outline technique, which is most commonly used by every artist. Even I use the outline technique. So just be patient, work slowly and observe each and every details of the picture you're making. Another technique I use is the second one, the grid technique. The grid method is not easy as you think. You will still need practice to get a good result. If you can't draw facial features very well, then grid technique will be useless. And the third method. I have seen many great artists drawing their portraits directly with the colors. I have never tried this technique and I'm still trying to improve and I'm still practicing. So today I will show you the outline sketch of Joker. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get updates from my channel. I am drawing the portrait on this normal and cheap drawing sheet and I am using a mechanical pencil for drawing the outline. I am starting my drawing slowly from the top section. I am drawing his hair right now. And let me tell you honestly, I erase a lot, so don't hesitate to erase whenever needed. I'm fast forwarding this portion of the video because this is not very important. I know this section is really easy for you all. Now I'm drawing the right side of the head. I hope my drawing is visible to you all because I'm not giving enough pressure on my pencil right now. If you are a beginner, then use an A4 drawing paper. I usually use A3 size paper, but this paper is 30 cm long and 20 cm broad. It's neither A4 nor A3. Now I'm drawing his face cut. Starting from the top, always recheck the shape of the face after drawing. Do corrections if needed. And guys, my video is fast forwarded. I don't want my video to be too lengthy and it's kind of boring to watch a long and slow paced video. So I hope you understand. And please don't try to draw fast like you are watching in my video, because being fast is not important when you are drawing. It's all about patience. We are almost done making the shape of the face. Now I will draw his neck and shirt, and I'm gonna skip this section because this portion is easy and not important. But there are some important things you need to know when you are drawing the facial features. Just remember, forehead to eyebrow line, eyebrow to nose and nose to chin measure same. The gap between your eyes measure same as the length of your eyes. In this portrait, the left eye is slightly bigger than the right eye. And I am drawing the right eye first. Observe the position of the eyeballs in the picture and draw them in the right place, and don't make the eyeballs too big or too small. You can shade the eyebrows and eyes to understand if you are drawing correctly or not, because the picture may have shades and highlights in different areas, and a flat outline drawing doesn't give you the depth to understand those details, so it's okay if you shade some portions for better understanding. Now I am drawing the left eye and I am quickly skipping this part. The length of your nose and ears are same, and also they intersect in the same line. We are almost done. I just need to draw the nose and lips properly. And even after corrections, if there is any mistake in your portrait, then you can correct them entirely when you will shade and color it. And here is the final result. Today we are done with the outline sketch. In my next video I will show you how to use pencil colors. So stay tuned, hasta la vista, and don't say alvida.